Very good morning, students. I hope you're doing well at home. Last time we have completed computer networking lesson number 4. Actually, we have not completed, we have started and we have completed some of the part of the same. So today we are taking the remaining part of the same. Last time we have seen what is called as computer networking, benefits of networking, that was connectivity and sharing, networking components, which is hardware, server computer, network interface card, network cable, in which we have seen unshielded, shielded, twisted pair, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and software. In software, we have seen network operating system, communication protocol, and network driver. So today we are starting with types of networks. In this picture, you can see easily the LAN network. Okay, here this is internet network interface device is there, Wi-Fi router is there, and there is a computer. With computer there is printer, mobile phone, tablet, iPad, laptop is there. So let's understand what is this local area network, which is commonly known as LAN. Okay, it is a network that connects computers. Okay, this laptop, computer, and other peripheral devices like printer and all that. Okay, so it is a network that connects computers and other peripheral devices that are relatively close to each other. A LAN normally serves a single premises such as a room, a single building, or an office, a ship, or an aircraft. Means LAN has its limitations. It can work for a building, for a ship, or a aircraft. Only one. Okay. So there are three basic layouts of connecting cables employed in designing a LAN, which is bus, ring, and star. These three types of designings are there. So these so-called network topologies are explained in section 6. Okay. So basically LAN is nothing but it is a network that connects computers. Correct? I hope you have understood this much, and which has limitation. It can work for a room, for a house, for a building, or for a ship, or for an aircraft. It has some limitations. So let's understand the second type, which is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Now we can see metro word is there. Metro means which is related to cities. Correct? So it is a network that connects two or more LANs. It connects two or more LANs within the boundaries of a town or city. Like there is a city, there is a town, it connects two different connections of LAN. Offices of a business organization located at different parts of city would use a man. For communication link, each man hires a dedicated telephone line from the local telephone company. Such a dedicated line is intended solely to send their data. So in this particular metropolitan area network, suppose there is one company which has offices at different locations. Some of the offices they are in cities, some of they are in towns. So to connect them, basically they take one separate line from a local telephone company, okay, which is used dedicatedly for sending their data only. Okay, this is what called as metropolitan area network, which is in short called as MAN. Okay, now next type, which is a combination or which is much more bigger than all these types of networks. Okay, that is wide area. The name itself tells us wide means very huge area. Okay, wide area network, WAN. You can see here LAN network is there, MAN network is there, MAN 2 is there, LAN 2 is there, MAN 1, LAN 1. So many connections, when they come together it becomes WAN. Okay, it is a large scale network of LANs and MANs spanning a large geographical area across cities, countries, and even continents. So WAN is useful for the cities, countries, and even continents. Okay. So WANs thus create data communication network over a broader scale, nationwide or worldwide. WANs use microwave transmission, satellite communication, or optical fibers for communication. WANs are vital to the working of the modern world. The internet is the world's largest WAN. We know simple example of WAN is nothing but an internet. Like by using the same connection, we can send the message in to the person one who is living in America. Okay, so we can send a message with the help of internet. So it's an example of WAN, wide area network. WANs are vital to the working of the modern world. The internet is the world's largest WAN, where millions of people across the world stay connected through their computers. As we know that we can stay connected, like we use Facebook. On Facebook there are many people. Okay, there are many friends. Some of them they are from Sri Lanka, some of them they are from South Africa, America, China, and all that. Okay, from various parts of countries. Or maybe we have friends from take our own country example, from Jammu Kashmir to Rajasthan to Delhi, like that. So it has its own importance. Okay, so communication links across the continents are provided by under ocean optical fiber cables, and the connection which we get, it is possible because of the under ocean optical fiber cables. Money markets, they are also called stock exchanges, across the world stay linked through WAN. Nationwide academic and military institutions are also among the principal users of WANs. So WANs are really important. Today, whatever work it is possible for us, it's because of the WAN itself. Because of the WAN, it becomes very, very easy to work. Okay. Now let's understand our next point, which is server and client. A computer system on a network, you can see here these are the computer systems on a network that provides a service to other computers. Like this is also a computer system which has higher level capacity. Okay, which provides a service to other computers through the internet. Okay, connected to the network is called server. Okay, this is called as a server, a computer system on a network that provides a service to other computers connected to the network is called a server. In its simplest form, an ordinary personal computer can be configured to act as a server. In a more sophisticated network, a faster computer with higher storage capacity is dedicated as server. Even in your computer lab, there must be one computer which has higher capacity, good processor, which is used as a server, means main computer. A computer on a network that request, okay, a computer on a network that request and receives services from server is called client. Okay, these are the clients because they are sending request and they get response from the server, hence they are called as a client. Okay, so important terms are server and client. Okay, server is a simply sender and here client is a receiver. Okay, it has higher level capacity. So next check what are the types of servers. They are also very very important, isn't it? Yes, it is. So here you can see types of servers. Database server. Okay, a database file is a tabular collection of related data on some subject and stored on computer. A database server centrally stores and manages large database files so that other computer clients, these are computer clients, okay, on the same network can access the files. these computer clients, they can access the files, all the data is saved here. Like we know that when we use Gmail, Google Drive, that data is saved somewhere on the server. Okay, so that is a database server. A database server can simultaneously handle millions of megabytes of data and thousands of requests for data from clients. And we know that whatever mail we have received, we can check again and again. Means we once again request to that particular system to open it once again. Okay, and it happens all over the world. A database server does not perform any calculation. It is designed primarily for rapid storage and retrieval of data. It is also called a back end. It is also called as a back end. Okay, Microsoft Access, Oracle, these are the examples of database software. So various databases are used for keeping the data very safe, and whenever we want we can use it. Okay, I hope you have understood what is called as database server. Data, we know information. Base means prime or important here, and server, we know that the computer which has the higher capacity, which can keep the data. Okay, millions of megabytes of data on it. Next type is application server. Do you know what is an application server? Okay, let's understand. So an application server is a computer that has customized application software to interact with the user. User means here it is. This is a user. Okay, this is a server. These are the application servers. Okay, via data entry screens, menus, and reports. Responding to a client request, an application server, this application server searches and fetches appropriate data from a backend database server. From here it takes information, it comes here, it is sent to the web server, to the internet server, and then at the end we receive it. It then presents them to the client as a report. Thus, an application server provides a user-friendly front end to the database server backend. Java and Hydra, Microsoft Windows Server 2008 are two examples of application server software. Okay. So I hope you have understood this application server. Simply just let me explain the same once again. You want some information, so that request will be sent here. Once again it will be sent to the application server. From application server it will go here to the database server. Once again whatever information we get, it will be sent to the application server. From here it will come to the web server, and ultimately at the end we, means client, the receiver will receive it. Correct? Isn't it very simple? Yes, it is. Very nice. Next, web server. It is a computer which delivers web pages and files to clients web browser using the internet standard HTTP protocol. Novels intranet where is an example of web server software. This is the web server software. Okay, we use internet, various web browsers we use. Okay, we send request, the request goes through the internet here web server, and we get the required information. Okay, so it is called as a web server. All the information related to web are available through or by using the web servers. Correct? Good. Next, which is last in this server category or the type of server, mail server. Let's understand mail server is actually. Okay, so the name itself suggests or tells us it is all about mail. You must have heard Yahoo Mail, Gmail, okay, or simply email. So how it works? It is a internet based computer which holds mailbox. accounts of large number of clients. Clients means the users. To send an electronic mail message, a client messaging software sends the message. Okay, this user, they sends the message to a mail server with the help of internet. The mail server then relays relays the message to its appropriate destination. Okay, send it to the appropriate destination through the internet. For receiving messages, the client accesses their mailbox. For receiving information, these clients means user, they access their mailbox accounts on the mail server. So this is the final type of server known as or called as mail server, which is useful for sending and receiving mails. Correct? So I hope you must have understood. The simple homework is you have to read the complete lesson. In case of any doubt, query, please let me know by messaging me or by calling me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and listening this video so carefully and patiently. Thank you so